Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Tuumiist cold press juicer machine. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are just wondering how a cold press juicer machine actually works. And so most of them function pretty much the same. So the way I like to assemble this is first make sure that it's unplugged. Next, I like to go from a top to bottom format. So what I mean by that is starting off with the bottom one. So this right here goes on top next. And then afterwards, you have this strainer. So this is a strainer. This goes on next like that. So every time you place something on, I kind of always want to turn it to make sure it doesn't move. Next, you have the presser, which is this portion. So again, keep twisting and turning it until it locks into place. So as you can see, I'm turning all the components, but none of them are moving. And then afterwards, you have the container. So the container itself, Tuumiist makes it pretty easy to just tell you that you want to align this portion here with the handle. So align it with the handle, and afterwards, you're just going to press down and it's going to lock into place like that. So align it here with the triangle. And then afterwards, you lock the handle with to there so it locks into place. Now afterwards, you want to make sure that all your cups are placed accordingly. So we have the pulp chute right over there, and then you have the juice chute right over here. Now once you're ready, just go ahead and plug it in. And then once you plug it in, there's a forward and reverse button. So there's a forward and then there's a reverse as well if you need to go reverse. But as you start to place fruits or vegetables inside of here, your juice will come out here, here, and then your pulp will come out here. But that's pretty much it though, as far as how to use the Tuumiist cold press juicer machine. If you guys have any other questions, let me know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.